So, vowel sounds are sounds produced without any obstruction of the airstream from the mouth. In essence, vowel sounds are sounds we produce without any blockage of the airstream. It means that our teeth, lips, and what have you are not interfering with the free flow of air. So the harmonic airstream enjoys a free flow without any obstruction from the mouth when we produce vowel sounds. And vowel sounds are classified into two. This is the types of vowels: monophthongs, diphthongs. There are 12 monophthongs and there are 8 diphthongs in English. What is monophthongs?